Hi, my name is Ruby, and welcome to this lovely kindness meditation. Welcome to this guided loving kindness meditation. Find a comfortable position, either laying down or sitting down. And just take a moment to align your spine and adjust your body. Find the perfect position. If it feels good for you, close your eyes. Start to shift your attention to your breath. Just watch your inhale flows into your exhale. And exhale back into your inhale. And as you watch your breath, you can find that your body start naturally soften and relax. You can stay as you are or choose a place of both hands over your heart. And begin to think someone in your life who you have so much love and appreciation for. Someone who brings you so much joy. Someone who you feel truly grateful to know. And allow this image slowly from in your mind. Let any feeling or emotion that begin to bubble up washing through your whole body. Amplify your gratitude and feeling of the love for this person as you look at them and say, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." As your word loving kindness to flow out to touch this person, as you repeat, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." And as you feel this person receive your love and kindness, as you say, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. And may you be loved." Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Thanks for this person, all this have done for you, and this allowed their image to slowly fade away. As you begin to thinking someone else in your life who you recognize, but you just don't know so well. Perhaps it could be someone that you pass on a commute to work, or someone who has served you in a local shop, or even a postman. Someone who you know of but doesn't really know much about. Take a moment to think of that person now, and the best you can begin to allow the image form in your mind. As you looking at them in the eyes, with the same amount of feeling and emotion as the person you love, you say, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." As your loving kindness flow out and touch this person, you repeat, "May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be loved." And as you see the other person receive your loving kindness as you repeat, "May you be loved. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. And may you be loved." Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. And allow this image to slowly fade away. Now I invite you to think someone in your life you have more challenge in the relationship. It could be someone who you still talk to or someone from the past. Be gentle, but also open who will come to mind. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be love. And just allow your loving kindness flow back to yourself as you repeat. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be love. And see and feel the power of your loving kindness as you say, may I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be love. And just take a moment, soak up this feeling. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Allow your loving kindness meditation to fade away. Take it nice and slow as you start come back to your space that you are in. Bring a little moment back to your body, blinking your eyes or moving your fingertip. And just take a moment, thank yourself for doing this work. It's not always easy, but it's incredible, powerful, and transformative. Thank you for listening. Have a beautiful day.